Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change ringtone on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to settings and after that scroll down a little bit until you find an option called sounds and haptics. Click on it, and after that, scroll down a little bit until you find an option called ringtone. And here you will find your phone numbers in your iPhone that you are actually using. Choose which one of the phone numbers you want to change the ringtone of it. And after that, you will see the list of ringtones that you have, and you can choose any ringtone that you have and you can use it. Plus, you can, of course, go to the tone store and buy any tone that you want and use it also as your ringtone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video.